going fishing now.
Well, it's floating. We don't see any leaking, anything, water gushing in anywhere. We're going to sit here a few minutes, and Ricky's up locking the truck, and we're going to sit here and see what happens. We'll be back. A trusty dusty sidekick.
And he's standing in the boat, and I'm standing on the dock.
Alright, we're in the water. No leaks. Front live well pump, the front live well's filling up, the back is not. I'm not concerned about that right now. The motor turned about 10 times and cranked. Hadn't been cranked in almost a year. Good deal. Water pump is pumping. Checklist. Now we're going to go putting down the river a little bit. See what we can, see how it's going to handle. Alrighty, we are under power.
And it's floating.
It's floating. Remember, no sinking jokes.
No stinking jokes.
Yeah, that one broke already. Snap broke. That's those little short snaps for leather and stuff.
Yeah.
They make a bigger one. I gotta get the bigger one.
Heavy duty.
Yeah, ain't no big deal.
Them big eagle ones you got.
Yeah, that would work.
They're tough.
We're just gonna idle around here and get down in this creek, and then I'll open her just a little bit. Well, seems to move all right. Alrighty, we'll turn the camera back on here in a little bit. I ain't gonna jinx myself and say it, so we'll be back in a few minutes.
Can't see around me? Can't see around me?
Yep.
Yeah, we took a little spill right there, trying to get the boat from being stuck under the dock. The maiden voyage was a success. right. We're gonna load her up, take her back to the house. And there he is, Captain Ricky.
Alright, update on the boat after the first launch. We managed to, remember, had the tag mounted here. As soon as it went in the water, it broke it off. Fell off in the water. Had a you-know-what of a time getting the tag out of the water without getting in the water, and it was 40 degrees, so but we got it. Now, Master Sergeant is mounting it. We're going to mount it on the fender down here because there's really no other place for that full-size tag to go without dragging the bottom or getting broke off here. Well, we had a bit of a fiasco getting it out because I backed the trailer too far in the water because I'm not used to this trailer yet. But we got it. Motor, perfect. Ran good. This back live well wouldn't work. We took it out when we got home and the inlet hose was kinked. 90-degree kink. And I should have noticed that when I put it in, but I didn't. So we cut it, put a 90-degree fitting in there. Good to go. It works. Overall, everything worked fine. The controls work fine. I got to read the book on the fish finder. We can't get it off a simulator. But as soon as we finish this one, we're going to adjust the seat heights and we'll read the book and figure that out.
Another problem we had was the rope we were using to hold the front of the boat when he pulled the trailer out stretched and you couldn't control the boat. The wind was blowing. So we changed that. We took some of the mule tape that we got and we made a new one for the front with a clip on it, and then a new one for the back. We just loop it over the cleat, and that way you can control the whole boat at the same time instead of trying to control just the front and have the wind blowing the back around. So we got that taken care of. I took 2 spills on the dock, luckily.
Yeah, one of those is on camera, I think.
I don't know, one of them may be on camera. I think the other one, the last one, wasn't on camera. But I didn't throw the camera off in the drink, and the only thing I did was my hat went off in the drink, and we fished it out with a gaff hook, so we're good to go.
Yeah.
Now, I'll be sore in the morning.
It needed a wash job anyway.
And luckily, thanks a lot. Luckily, I had on the life jacket, and that gave me some real good padding on the back, because when I went down, I landed on my back flat on the dock. So,
yeah, it scared me.
But we're okay. We're good to go. We've had worse than that.
Yeah.
I get worse than that every morning when I look in the mirror. It scares me to death.
And everybody around you.
But I need a drill bit. I'll be back.
He is a mess, folks, let me tell you. Now, see, we're going to adjust the seats. Like I said, the new pedestal in the front, it's too high for me to sit up there and run the trolling motor. Too high. The short one is too low. So we're going to find the happy medium there. Plus this one, the base is wore out. So I'm going to have to get one more. And I'll pick that up in a day or two. But overall, everything went well. Trolling motor worked fine. My spare prop will not fit. So I got to get one of those. But like I said, overall I'm pleased. May take it out again, maybe Friday. I get this stuff adjusted. Mama wants to go. Now, if she wants to go, I got to take her. No ifs, ands, or buts. And if I take her, we will go to probably the sheephead spot, which me and Sarge will be there next Tuesday, maybe?
Yeah, probably Tuesday.
Next Tuesday. Because I want him to catch it. We did fish a little bit today. Not much, just for a few minutes, just to say we fished. But didn't catch nothing. I got one bite, pinfish bite, but oh well. But we enjoyed ourselves anyway. We had fun.
Yeah, we did.
Very pleased with the motor. Hadn't cranked in almost a year. It cranked right up.
Couldn't believe that thing fired right off, man. For
Yep.
sitting like as long as it has, that was great.
That's a good motor, 1968 model.
Good old Johnson
Good old-
horse.
Good old Johnson motor.
Can't beat him.
All right. Well, we're going to end this one. Tomorrow is a shop day. I've got knives to build. Thursday, I've got to go to the doctor, do blood work and all that neat stuff. May drop in on a buddy over there. We'll see. Because he lives close to some fishing water. But we'll see. And what else? That's it. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for your support. New subscribers.
Before I start cussing.
Thank y'all very much for new guys. What you gonna start cussing about? He's trying to mount this tag and it's aggravating him. So anyway, Master Sergeant thanks y'all also. And let's see, let's get out of the sunlight. Turn around this way. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I can't see. I'll see y'all in a couple days.